Hey guys, welcome back to Shell's Island Flavor. Today I will be doing some Mongolian beef my way. Sit back, relax, and watch the journey. I seasoned my beef from overnight, and here is the seasoned beef strip. And my oil is hot, so I'll go along and I'll tell you what I added before I add my seasonings. So to the beef I added a little sugar and a little cornstarch to get this started, and I use a quarter cup of olive oil. So I will be tossing my beef in it, and I cut these in little strips. So I start the process, and for the beef I added a little tip of cornstarch and some brown sugar, and this is just for start to get the beef cooked and ready for my meal. So I leave that on low heat, and I'll just watch this. Move this over for it to fry a little. You know, this takes a while to cook, and I will leave my seasonings in the description box as always, or as normal. And this is my way. I haven't added like my soy sauce, my bell pepper, my onions, garlic, anything like that. I'm just getting the beef ready. So enjoy this journey. See, I'm now about just stirring this. And I have this on low heat because beef will definitely take a while to cook. So I have this on low heat. Then I will now be adding some minced garlic on this to help to tenderize the meat. There is my garlic, and I love me a lot of garlic, so don't mind. This is my way. And I will be adding a little soy sauce on this, and I will leave in the description box also what I use to make my sauce that I will be adding to this. And I will also be adding veggies to mine, a little carrot and the regular bell pepper. At this point I am going to add in my seasonings, my green seasonings. Which includes my green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow red bell pepper, and some onions. Yes, and I want this to like cook in it. And then I will be adding carrots later and a little broccoli, not much, but a little carrot and broccoli with my sauce. So I'll now leave this, help to cook this instead of water. Okay. So I am back 20 minutes into cooking my beef, and this is it. It still has a little time to go before I add my final touches, but it's coming on. It's coming on before I add my sauce to it. And I used beef broth to help with the cooking instead of water. See you soon. So I am back 20 minutes into cooking my beef, and this is it. It still has a little time to go before I add my final touches, but it's coming on. It's coming on before I add my sauce to it. And I used beef broth to help with the cooking instead of water. See you soon. There you go. So I will now be adding in my carrots and some broccoli and just a few little florets of broccoli, and I used 1 large carrot. And what is beef without some pepper? So I will be adding a little bit of pepper in mine. And this I will be serving in pineapple with some homemade yellow rice. Yes, I'll be serving this in a pineapple bowl with some yellow rice, and I'll show you how I carve my pineapple out, and then I'll be adding that in just for flavor. There you go. My Mongolian beef. There you see it. There is the finished. It does not have a lot of juice in it, which it's fine by me, but look at it. So I'll just leave my veggies to stew a little in it, just in case you also decide to try this out and see there's no juice or just sufficient to keep the meat itself intact. And I just added some few more florets of broccoli. There is my finished dish. Thank you again for the support continually, and I'll show you when I serve this with a little yellow rice. Look at it, looking juicy, looking so nice. Look at it. All ready for serving up. Just a quick tutorial on me using my pineapple to share my meal in. So I washed my pineapple. Yes, I washed my pineapple. I wash everything. And I will show you how I carve this out to share my meal in it. Stay tuned. So I'm drying, although we're not eating the skin. And then I lay this flat. I want to cut this in like half. I need to get everything out of this to share my meal in it. So I'm using another knife, and this is just to get the core, the middle, the hard part out of the pineapple. Then I will be marking lines in the side. Till I get this out. Or maybe I should have done this before and then show you my bowl, but the journey's probably gonna be long, so I'll just show you how I get the core out, and then I'll mark it to show you the rest. So there, I took the core out. I'll show you the rest. So here is my pineapple bowl. So what I will do now, I will share my meal in it, and I will be using foil paper in this. See you with the finished dish. Look at it. My pineapple looking all sexy. There you go. My meal is coming next. Wait for it. Okay, so look at this. So I have my Mongolian beef. Look at it. And I dish this with some yellow rice, and you will see my air fried barbecue chicken video. I added a little barbecue sauce, barbecue, on my dish. There is the finished